you're,
If I had a
all
group
you
of
do
kids.
is you get a group of kids.
I don't know.
And you could decide too how many you wanted.
I think it's, I don't know, since we were half day kindergarten last year, we had like 50 kids total, and this year we have 17. And they've already learned so much faster, just like the small group of them. But I also nanny, and so when I go pick up my other kids from school, they do the same, like learning the alphabet, like the sounds, like Ali, alligator, like the zoophonic stuff. He's in preschool, so I don't know. It would depend on, I don't know, what I would do with them at all, because there's so many different ways I could do it.
What question did you ask, Monica?
Like what she would do. You know, she's in a situation where incredible kindergarten teacher that really does take liberties to do what he loves. But he's, got a curriculum, he's got a set plan, and so just what would she